Becky ydw I a dwi'n arweinydd o Cylch, Meithrin, Llangollen. Absolutely love my job. Cylch Meithrin just reit ar y calon o Llangollen. Yn Cylch dwi'n cael 35 plant, some o ysgol a some aros trwy dydd, just bore, just pnawn. Pawb yn just really mwynhau chwarae tu allan as much as we can. Glaw, haul, gwynt, eira, you name it. Os mae pawb isio dysgu am o dan y môr, fel heddiw, then that's absolutely what we do.
It's a great opportunity to give them that Welsh as well and getting them ready for school really. My eldest come here when she was younger. It brought her on leaps and bounds and I'm seeing it with Bella as well.
Yeah, just hoffi wneud dens, llawer o hwyl, hours of fun. Llawer o trips a just 16 plant ar y minibus i'r Abbey Farm yn Llangollen. A Parc Pengwern, just 10 munud. Ni'n really trio rhoi profiadau i'r plant yn Cylch Meithrin Llangollen. Y staff yn absolutely fantastic. Yeah, teimlo fel teulu mawr, just more proud, really proud o staff.
I'm super chuffed my children, my 2 daughters have had the opportunity of coming to Cylch. Becky and the other staff members are so welcoming to the children in the morning. They're doing wonderful things upstairs.
Dwi'n teimlo really emotional just nomination. Yeah, more proud, yeah.